Simmons, your favorite realtor with Keller Williams Atlanta North, and today we are at 3394 Bryerstone Circle Southeast in the beautiful Smyrna, Georgia. This wonderful home is 3 levels, 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, as well as 2 half bathrooms, and it's nestled away in an exclusive gated community. This home has a wonderful open concept chef's kitchen, ensuite bathrooms for not only the primary bedroom. This home has some amazing features, from beautiful granite countertops, a double-sided fireplace, recessed, beautiful ceilings, excellent craftsmanship and detail, stone finishes. They left nothing out with this home. Contact me if you'd like to take a look at this property. This property is located in Smyrna, Georgia in the gated community of High Point and is currently listed for $1,050,000. Servicing schools for this community include Teasley Elementary, Campbell Middle School, and Campbell High School. Thank you to the listing agent, Samir Virani of Keller Williams Atlanta North, for the opportunity to tour this lovely home. Well, without further ado, enjoy your tour. Wow, this is a pretty impressive home. I'd like to thank the listing agent, Samir Virani, for allowing me to tour this home and bring this property tour to you. More info about this property will be located in the description box. If you like this video, please press the like button and let me know what you liked about this home. If you're new to my channel and love what you see, welcome to you, and please hit the subscribe button and share this video with a friend. And if you'd like to tour this home or any other home in Metro Atlanta and the surrounding areas, reach out to me. My contact info can be located in the description box below. Thanks again for visiting Cecily Sells ATL, where we help you make your next move your best move in real estate. Be well.